Okay, tell me about yourself first.
Sir, my name is Sneha. I'm studying in Nitte International School. I'm in class 12th. I've chosen commerce.
Okay.
Uh,
How many members actually you have in your family?
Sir, it's a joint family. It's a
Okay.
big, huge family. So,
Okay.
my dad has two brothers. So,
Okay.
there are three brothers.
Okay.
My dad's the first one. So, we three brothers in each floor and
Okay.
grandparents in one floor.
Okay. So that all the family that you are staying together in one.
Yeah. But in my dad's place, first
Okay.
floor, that is me, my mom, and my dad.
Okay. So are you that okay, or that are you feeling good that you are in joint family and the relation that how you maintaining with all other that?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's good. It's an advantage only.
Correct.
Staying in joint.
Correct.
Anything happens, they'll be like,
Right.
they'll come.
How actually relation you have with your father and with your mother?
It's good, sir, but I'm close to my mom most.
It's
Yeah.
mostly that.
Yeah.
Okay. That how close that, how extend close that that everything you can talk
Yeah,
to her.
everything.
Everything, that means which type of?
If you have a boyfriend, if you have
Oh
some
my
crush,
God. Okay.
anything you can go tell her.
Okay, so that
She's
if,
just like a friend. Yeah.
okay,
More
so
than-
that now that actual that the things I supposed to ask, but I had know that much of that things that you already told that things. Okay, you can.
You know how I am. I am like a tomboy.
Okay,
I don't dress up girly. I
Okay.
don't walk girly.
Okay.
People tell that.
Okay.
Actually, I don't dress up girly.
Mhm.
But when it comes, that you have to dress up like a girl.
Correct.
That time I'll dress up.
Okay,
Every day you can't wear salwar, kameez,
Right.
sari
Right.
and go around.
Right.
I'm comfortable in jeans and shirt, shorts and t-shirt. So I wear that and I'm not like a girly. I mean those.
Right.
you know,
Right.
no?
The behavior that
Yeah.
girl, that some nakhra and all that
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, I don't
This
do
type
all
of
that.
behavior actually.
And I had a boy cut.
Okay.
And that's a big thing for the society.
Correct. So that if you had that, when you made that like that, your look, that any changes, any problem that you face from the society in this?
Yeah, sir, they're too judgmental. They're too judging. So I don't care. 3 years I grow my hair. Next year, 4th year I cut my hair. Again
Okay.
3 years I'll go. Again I'll cut.
Okay.
It's not a big thing, sir. They
Correct.
just make it a big thing.
Right.
Now next and all, it's not like that. Next it'll change.
Okay. So the relation you told about your mom and about your dad, that you told about your mom, that how the relation actually you have with her. What about your dad?
Dad also good, sir. But we're not so close.
Mm-hmm.
We don't share things.
Mhm.
But okay. He's there.
So that anything you needed, that you are not approaching to your dad, or that you directly go to your mom and that asking them?
Anything I want, I'll ask my mom.
Okay.
My dad, I usually don't ask him anything.
Mm-hmm.
But he'll keep asking me, what do you want? What do you want? I'm not comfortable asking him anything. So I go to my mom and I ask my mom.
So from the childhood only that you raised and grown with your mom mostly, that's why. So your dad actually sometime that you actually were not with him.
There
like
was a
that?
time that almost 1 year they were apart
Okay.
and I had been to hostel
Okay.
for 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
Then again I came back because my dad didn't want me to go to hostel and my mom also. They saw me suffering. Then they got back together.
Okay. Tell me about your lifeline. That who are or who is any particular person, if it is there.
Sir, for me, there are two important persons in my life. That is my mom and my aunt.
Okay. And
So-
tell me about her. That before you didn't mention anything about her.
Sir, I don't know how we got close, but when I was in 6th, from starting I was like that. I didn't know. I was jealous, it seemed. I was possessive.
Okay.
From starting, I don't know. I didn't know. Then later we got. I don't know how we got close. Then it grew, the relationship. Now we are like more than anything.
Okay, so like that how you are sharing with your mom that you can share.
Yeah, more than my mom.
Oh
Any
my.
dirty things, anything I can share with her.
Okay. Okay.
Mom, I should filter little, no sir. Mom,
Okay, correct,
for
correct.
That aunt, I can tell her anything.
Okay. How that you told about the possessive? How that possessive that?
Sir, you okay, I'll tell you. Somebody comes close to my aunt, somebody interacts with my aunt.
Correct. So yeah,
So I'm
you feel jealous that
jealous, yeah, but it's not a bad thing.
Correct, I understood that when you are that actually you were a kid. You were kid at that time that you thought that why that apart of me that if any other person's coming and that mingle with your aunt and all, why that will be happen. Okay. So actually your aunt which aunt actually?
I'll tell you. My mom's brother's wife, sir.
Okay.
So it's not like dad's sister, dad's
right.
not dad's side.
Right.
It's like mom's brother's wife.
Okay.
It's actually a rare thing.
Okay, so
to get connected with.
Correct. Because of that, it's like that you are that any vacation or any that time that you have that you visit there, you are visiting every time like that.
Sure,
that's
whenever
why.
I get time, I'll go there. No, because I like to spend time with them.
Okay. That if any people taken birth, definitely one time that the people should go.
Yeah.
So what is your reaction if I told that you sometime it will be alone, you will be alone without them that who are your lifeline?
It will be tough, sir. Very tough.
But the things you would be right.
Yeah.
So.
But let's see, sir, what happened. I'm not waiting for that moment, but when it happens, I'll.
Okay, so you are not a emotional person, or that you are a little tough, like.
I am when it comes to my family. When my loved ones talk to me rudely, hurt me, that time I'll get emotional, but not
every time like that. Okay. Tell me about your hobbies. That some already you told that your behavior and all that things. But now.
Actual hobby.
Yeah.
Sure, I don't have a particular hobby.
Okay.
Whatever I feel like doing, I'll just do. But for me, driving and riding is the main thing. Whenever I not okay, I don't feel okay, I go for a drive.
So the driving also, you know that it be dangerous sometime. So anytime you had faced this situation?
Yes, sir.
That also you faced?
Yeah.
Please reveal.
7th grade, I think. No, 8th grade.
Okay.
My mom got me a vehicle. That's Vespa. So it is a sporty vehicle. It goes fast. It's a moped. One day I went to tuition.
Okay.
And I was coming back. I went to the other road. There are two ways. The other road I went, I bought something. I thought of going that way. No, but I came back to this way, and I was in 60, 70. Oh, what? 3 dogs, sir. 3 dogs just passed by. I hit the dog and I fell.
Okay.
That day, I had a injury in my leg. That's not a big thing, but my bone was seen.
Oh,
it's a big thing
was
for
not.
me. It was a big thing for me.
Okay,
That's
so then you are
thing.
talking about it was not a big thing, but bone was has seen that actually.
That time it was a big thing, sir. Bone was seen, yeah. When I fell and I saw that, it was just white, just your skin. The minute I look around and again I look back, oh my God, blood is flowing.
Could you reveal anything that still no one known about that?
My parents know and my aunt knows about it.
Okay.
But it was a big thing for me, sir. 11th standard was online.
Okay.
I didn't study the whole year.
Okay.
And it was a new subject for me, commerce.
Okay.
Accounts, business, economics.
Then.
I was like, oh, it's okay, it's online, end of the year also they'll give online exam.
Right.
Then suddenly they started school. After that, there was exam time. Till then I didn't take study seriously.
Okay.
Then I panicked.
Okay.
on the day of the first exam,
Okay.
it was accounts, I think.
Okay.
I don't know anything.
Okay.
I want to write the exam.
Okay.
My mom, then I started crying. Then my mom's like, it's okay, go write the exam and come. Let's see what will happen. Then I wrote the exam. I wrote every exam I used to cry. Every exam, except English.
Okay.
Then I used to cry. Then after the result day, I didn't go with my mom. She went. They told, yeah, your daughter is promoted to 12th grade.
Okay.
Then she cried, it seemed. I don't know. My teacher told me. Then I was like, she's doing so much for me, but I'm not giving anything to her back. So I decided to study hard this year, but I'm not. I'm trying to, but
Okay.
let's see.